What's up, Cook? It's Smash Burger time. We're going to use these King's Hawaiian rolls and we're going to make double cheese smash burgers on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. This is going to be fun. We're going to use the griddle plate. We're going to grill these suckers up and we're going to have us some delicious, delicious sliders. So welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. Okay, so we have our little King's Hawaiian rolls here. And we got this at our club store, so it comes in a pack like this. So we're going to be doing beef and turkey. So half of these are going to be turkey and half of them are going to be beef. So how I'm going to do this is, here's our pack. And so I'm going to do 4 and 4. So I'm going to go ahead and tear 4, 4, 4, and 4. And so these are not cut. So we're going to go ahead and cut them like this. So we have those. Maybe I can cut this one more level. Yep. 2. Did I do the same thing? No, that's good.
It curved a little. That one's good.
4. Yay! So I have the Ninja on grill and I have it on medium and we preheated it. When you preheat it, you have to close the lid and the fan runs. The fan will shut off and then it'll say add food. So we're ready to go. So the very first thing is we're going to grill our buns. I'm going to give it a little dose or a big dose of olive oil spray so I don't burn my butter up. We're going to go ahead and give it a nice coating of melted butter. Now, on to the buns. These toast up pretty quickly. So we're just going to put them on here. This one's sort of separated, but it's all good. And we're going to go ahead and toast them. They toast pretty quickly, so toasted bun, look at that. So we're going to go ahead and take all these off. Let me turn this off so I don't burn the bun. There you go, see? Looks pretty good. So let me go grab the burgers. Turkey burger first, and turkey burger's lean, so I'm gonna put some olive oil spray on here. And we're gonna go ahead, I have one big one. I had one that was 7 ounces, and I was like, I'm cooking it, because I'll use it on a different bun. And now we're gonna take this burger press and we're gonna put some parchment down on there and we're gonna smash burger it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to season salt.
Attention, all
Pepper.
owners of cookers. Don't play hide and seek with Amy. She has counting issues.
I skipped 5. And I'm going to put a little granulated garlic on here. Smelling good. I think I'm going to give them a flip so I can season the other side. Salt. Pepper. Granulated garlic. Whoop. Time to cook.
You can probably cook longer.
Give him a little temp action.
170, 156. Of course, that was also a thin spot. Okay.
He didn't get smashed really that well because he was so big.
Well, you're running out of room.
Yeah, one issue was it was hard for me to do 4 smash burgers on this grill. It's kind of small. Griddle.
If they were all the same size, you could have. That one guy was big. He gave you a challenge.
It's still, I didn't have any extra room to smash the back burger. I kind of felt, I don't know. A Blackstone definitely be better because you have way more room on it.
You would. Or even a regular pancake griddle.
Yeah, like an electric griddle.
Like a Presto or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to take these in and foil them.
Okay. Oh, he's got tongs. He didn't tell me about tongs. Let's see your smash action, boo. Smash. All the way down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next burger. Going down for the 10.
1, 2. That's how you talk when you've been married for like 30,000 years.
Oh, wonderful. You better hurry because you still got a season, you know. Sitting up here playing games.
Move him out of the way. Move him over here.
Okay, season to your little heart's content. Pepper.
A little salt.
Salt. A little light on the seasoning there, boo.
Hey.
It's very hot out here today and humid. Got a storm rolling in and it's a nightmare out here right now, to be honest with you.
Well, we're in between storms, so it's like 95% humidity.
It's hot.
Poor Boo-Boo's used to the AC. She's got bugs attacking her.
Nads. Smash, smash, burger. Ding, 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 ding. My boo's not believing in seasoning today. I don't know. He's probably going to cook his stuff a lot more rare than I do.
Well, this is beef. I can go medium rare. You can't.
Part of the way it'll give you a flip warning.
Yeah.
I think if you waited to that flip, you would be in trouble.
No, I don't know.
Is that?
I don't know. Amy got attacked by a bug. Oh, do it again.
Eric's putting on a white cheddar.
These are sharp.
It's sharp cheddar. He did not want American cheese.
Yeah,
He wanted real cheese. He doesn't like the fake cheese.
I like real cheese.
When we went to the store, they didn't have the stuff that's orange. White cheddar is the same. The only difference is they put something in there to make the orange color. Like beta carotene or something. I don't know what they put in there. Lord knows what they put in there. Maybe like some kind of colorant.
I don't know. How stupid does this look?
Now he's got this cover. That's too small yet too big.
It'll work close enough. Got a little smoke coming off of it.
Smells like burgers. It does smell like hamburger out here.
Know. I think I'm pretty close to being done here. Ready, Boo Boo?
Yep. Fire away.
All right.
Smash burger 1. Smash burger 2. Smash burger 3. Smashy 4. Yay, now it's time to build some burgers. Okay, so it is time to assemble some, oh my gosh, look at that. Because I am Amy, I'm going to throw some Chipotle mayo on here. You put whatever kind of sauce you want. Mayo, mustard, ketchup, Thousand Island. Heck, turn it into a Big Mac, right?
Sure.
We're going to smash burger it up. Boom. We're going to slap a half a tomato on each one of these. A half a tomato for a
Half a tomato?
mini burger. Just like that.
These aren't exactly sliders. They're just smashed burgers.
I don't know what you would call them. They're sliders.
Oh, they are?
A little chipotle mayo
Yeah.
for the top.
Yeah.
Top it off. Yeah!
All right. Well, that looks good for you.
So let's make one for Eric. Here's Eric's. He wants a little chipotle mayo on his, but strangely enough, he wants mustard.
No, fine. Hey, do it my way. Thank you.
It's an odd combination. Smash burger.
Don't skimp now.
Huh?
Don't go skimping.
Tomato. You got a whole tomato over here.
Yeah, I can put a whole tomato on there.
And a whole tomato.
Yeah, it'll fit.
He wants pickle, so I cut it for each smash burger. We'll give him some lettuce
You can go easy on that stuff.
and top it off.
Oh, that looks pretty.
So the way I eat these is I just cut here. You can grab off one or you can cut it. You can be a little sane about it. So I'm going to take a quick bite. Really good. You want to come over and take a bite of yours, Boo?
Maybe.
Oh, you're going for the 4-banger?
Well, yeah, that's why it's designed.
The chipotle is a little spicy on mine. It tastes good.
Chipotle haven't hit me yet.
The bun is like sweet.
The bun is sweet because it's Hawaiian.
I don't eat those buns too often.
Mm-mm.
They're sweet.
I've never used
I like them.
bun before, but it tastes good.
Smash burgers, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for joining us.